Hello, I am Akash Mishra and I am going to speak about bubble sort. Introduction to bubble sort. Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm. It repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent element and swap them if they are in wrong order. The process is repeated until list is sorted. Here's an example written in your left hand side. You can see it. Algorithm steps. Start from the beginning of the list. Compare the first element with the second element. If the first element is greater, then swipe it. You can see it in the above figure. Algorithm steps. Algorithm steps 2 or and 3 each element in list. After the first iteration, the largest element will the correct position at the end of the list. Repeat the process for the remaining element. Time complexity. Our bubble sort has a worst case time complexity order n to the power 2 in worst case scenario where the list is in reverse order. It requires multiple passes to sort the list. Space complexity of bubble sort has space complexity of order to the order 1 because it only requires constant amount of additional memory. It doesn't require any auxiliary structure to perform the sorting. The advantage of bubble sort is simple to understand and implement. It performs well small database, partially sorted list. It's stable sorting algorithm. Disadvantages of bubble sort are it is highly insufficient of large database. It has poor average case time complexity compared to the more effective sorting algorithm. It is suitable for the real time application or time critical visualizations. Imagine bubble sort rising the surface of water as algorithm progress. The largest element bubble up to their correct positions. This visualization helps you understanding how algorithm actually works. Alternate variations. Cocktail sort is a variation of bubble sort that sort the both the direction, reducing the number of passes. Comb sort is another variation of bubble sort, improves performance by reducing the number of swaps. Summary. Bubble sort is a simple intuitive sorting algorithm. It's suitable for small database or partially sorted lists. However, it insufficient for large database and poor average case. Here are some references from where I create this video. Greek for Greeks, Khan Academy and Wikipedia. Thank you.